This is an amazing view from my hotel room at Heathrow. Wow. This is room number 563. At Premier Inn Terminal 4. Everything is all started up. And this plane taking look soon. Star Wars. Turkish taking off. Oop, let's go stick to that. Oh my goodness. Well, oh my goodness, I got that taken off. I forgot that was there. So, it's a Greeky line at the airport, you know. Out of Heathrow is amazing. So I'll just zoom back out and have a big look around my hotel room. Yay! Flashy stairs, cameras. And this is my lovely double bed. And my desk for the things and cup of teas. And squinky test. Boink! Oh yeah, oh, that's lovely. Oh, this is a good bed. Oh yeah. You just look up and see planes, and that's what you can do. Let's have a look. Nice wallpapers. Mirror. Bathroom. With a nice bath and nice tiles. Nice tiles. It's a nice shower. So, let's do that and show you how the shower works. There you go. Wow. There you go. Let's turn it off now. That's the toilet. That's the sink that goes like this. Ah, wow. Let's turn that off and save the electricity. Well, this is the view from outside my room. That's that towards the lift. And this goes, I think that goes towards somewhere. Let's close that now. Oh, yes. And there's the TV. You go like that. Okay. See you later, everybody.